these guys, they shot at the police. The police responded. They shot and killed 8 of those guys.
Kusele nkundleni basola labayimfica lekusolakala ukuthi ngilabamba inkunzi imoto lethwala imali esibukenge eGauteng ngesikhathi badubulana nemaphoyisa.
We can never even believe. I think there is nothing that can defeat the gains that were achieved in 1994.
Kushona kwaloyile bekasishoshovu semzabalazo Solomon Mahlangu bekungasilo lide lelide ngako nje umndeni wakhe uvuka lisinga nakukhunjula impilo yakhe.
We're playing Orlando Pirates, like second on the log at the moment, so we're not looking into form or anything like that. We focus on what we can control.
Ichipa United tawufanele litibambe ticine tindvuku tayo nayitfolana etulu ne-Orlando Pirates eMandela Bay kumdlalo we-DStv Premiership ngemgcibelo. Plus finyelela khona sikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele Tindzaba tesiSwati ku SABC 1 na ku DTT.
Lo sahau ubatla Tindzaba kanilimi lahao indaba ze-SABC umthombo othembekileyo wendaba kuwe izindaba ze-SABC okuyizindaba ongezethemba seziyatholakala ku-digital terrestrial television eyaziwa nge-DTT kanye naku-SABC Plus ka gore re kwešiša ka kudu-kudu ditaba tšeo di lego bohlokwa go wena fumana ditaba tsa matšhabeng ka leleme la hao SABC lentswe la hao re ikemetse ga re kgethe nkukapela.
Kusele nkundleni basola labayimfica lekusolakala ukuthi ngilabamba inkunzi imoto lethwala imali esibukenge eGauteng ngesikhathi badubulana nemaphoyisa labathathu babo basesibhedlela kanzi emaphoyisa atfole letibhamu letisithupha netimoto letine.
Emaphoyisa athi lwathu lemaphoyisa lasebenza ngebugebengu lobuhlelo loholele ukuthi afike kulendlela lekusolala ukuthi yalomunye lokwaboshwa waphuma ngeparole. Athi besola kunetimoto letinzathu letihleli ngensimbi yesine kulokusa kwanamuhla. Letimoto kusolala ukuthi betosenjetiswa kulo ndabugebengu lenye ingekhathi kuleli jalidi. Bomakhelwane bathi lo msindo wetibhambo ungabeketeleleki nakancane.
Ukrethi di gunshots wawukwala ithunya
uthi bevekhala tibhamu ebusuku batibuta ukuthi kwendakalani ngamakhelwane. Kutse nakhamba isikhathi batfola ukuthi amaphoyisa bekatfola netulu netigebengu lebehlele kubamba lenye imoto letfala imali inkunzi. Kube sekuvakala kamuva ukuthi hayi kunalabanye labasala enkundleni.
Kusolakala ukuthi kutsena kufika amaphoyisa labasola bavulela ngenhlavu.
Those cars you see there, 3 of them were idling, were ready to roll. Those cars you see, there is an ML inside. Beautiful ML, besides that beautiful X5 you see. They were rolling when the guys came here at about 4:30 in the morning. And these guys, they shot at the police. The police responded. They shot and killed 8 of those guys here on the crime scene. As we speak, they are here with 6 firearms. And the 4 of those were critically injured. 1 has died in hospital, which means there are 9 those that are fatally shot here.
Indvuna emaphoyisa abhekicele ithi emaphoyisa ayobe aphume ngetingane kula maholiday ephasika. Kanzi kulendzawo futhi ekuseni kutholakale nebafana ababili baseSomalia bebathunjiwe kufunwa imali engu-8 million rand kude bakhululwe.
Kushona kwaloyile bekasishoshovu semzabalazo Solomon Mahlangu bekungasilo lide lelide ngako nje umndeni wakhe uvuka lisinga nakukhunjulwa impilo yakhe. Lokho kwenteka nje nanobesimo selive nalabaphila kulo bachubeka nekwesela nekuphila impilo lenganitisi nalingatfokotisi.
My blood will nourish the tree that will bear the fruits of freedom. Ngemavu ekugcina lakhulunywa nguSolomon Mahlangu ngesikhathi anikela impilo yakhe ngesethembiso sekutholakala kwenzanwe elinyenti kuleli. Ingabe lamagama bekawakhuluma nje umndeni wakhe awucabanga kanjalo.
We can never even believe. I think there is nothing that can defeat the gains that were achieved in 1994. So Solomon Mahlangu did not die in vain. I think what we need to do as we continue to redefine ourselves as a society, as a community, and diverse for that matter, I think it's important that we are able to look at where we've come from and where we are, and then re-energize the processes of recommitting ourselves to completely emancipating our communities.
I-ANC ikhumbule impilo yamahlanga ethuneni lakhe eNtshonalanga neMamelodi lapho ivume khona lenhlangano ukuthi kunedingcinamba letibuyena lelive lekuyinto amahlanga beyangafuni kuyibona. Inkinga yagesi kweswelakala kwemisebenzi nekubita kwempilo nguletinye 13 letikhungetse lelive. I-ANC ithi sesikhathi lesifanele sekutinuka emakhwapha.
We are coming here to do exactly that same thing today. Ukuzocela esizweni sakwamahlangu ukuthi nisivumele si-interact nedlozi lethu nathi. Sithi ngicela nisisize, nisiphe i-wisdom, nisiphe i-circumspection, nisiphe the spirit of self-reflection, ukuze sibuke kahle ukuthi yini le kumele silungise ukuze iy'nkinga zabantu bakithi South Africa ilungiseke.
Lelive liya elukhethweni kulomnyaka lotawo kanzi ke takhamuntu tawuthola lithuba lekubuka ukuthi inikela nekuthi dzela lokwendiwa tishoshovite emzabalo zetifana nabo mahlangu.
Indvuna lesanza kubekwa etemidlalo obuciko kanye nemasiko zizikodwa icele abantu bakuleli ukuthi bagweme ukuyamanisa nelimuva lahulumende welibandlululo njengoba kubamuka sifundi kanye nemalungelo elundu. Kodwa bekakhuluma emcimbini wekusukumisa imicimbi yenyanga yenkululeko letawubanjwa kule nyanga yonke yamabasa. Umcimbi wokuqala ke utawubanjwa esifundzeni sase Northwest.
Lo nyaka uhlangana emashumi lamabili nemfica kubungata lilanga lenkululeko. Leli langa lasungulwa ngemva kokuthi iNingizimu Afrika ithole ukukhululeka kumbuso wencindezelo. Kanti ke imicimbi yelilanga lenkululeko licondzane lusuku lapho kwabulawa khona Solomon Galushu Mahlangu. Kulomnyaka uhlangana iminyaka lengemashumi lamane nakune. Labe bahambele lo mcimbi bagcizelele bumcoka bemalanga lafana nalawo.
We still have a very long way to go. I think it's very useful to acknowledge where we come from, but also never forget that it's a forward movement. We cannot stand still and say we are done and we are finished.
We had to teach people the vocabulary of the anti-apartheid movement. That was done through song, through dance, to plays, and that is the cultural workers and that is the artists of today.
I think in as much as we do have a lot of challenges, we also do have a lot of good things that we should be looking at, that we should be embracing in our country.
Live leNingizimu Afrika kule minyaka lengcile libukene tingcinamba letinyenti letifaka ekhatsi bugebengu lobono lidlame lobulili inkhohlakalo kusolakala kwemisebenzi lokusheba abantu abaningi bacabanga ngalokwendakala emva kuhulumende welibandlululo.
We hear some of the voices today continue to remind us that it was better under apartheid. Notwithstanding these challenges, we must never reminiscent the past. We must never idolize the past, which denied many of us of our human dignity and right. And therefore, let's confront our challenges and accept our weaknesses.
Lo nyaka ugcizelelwa ukuthi lesalonyaka sikhumbuto naletinye kumele tifake emdzibeni zawonye tonke takhamuti takuleli.
Mhla tisithupha kwabasa nga-1979 Solomon Galushu Mahlangu wabulawa ngekulengiswa ngensambo nguhulumende welibandlululo ejele Pretoria Central. Mahlangu atholakala amacala amabili ekubulala namathathu ngaphansi komthetho wokuphekula mhla thi-2 kuNdlovulenkhulu ka-1978 wasekuniketwa isigwebo sensambo. Mahlangu bekalilunga le-ANC yaphinza lilunga lembutho wetempi umkhondo wesizwe. Ngenhlaba nga-1977 waboshwa ngekutsiniseka empini eTbam lapho kwashona khona abantu ababili kwalimala labanye lababili. Kusuka lwethu nga-1977 kuya kuNdlovulenkhulu ka-1978 washushiswa ngamacala lemene nekubulawa kwalabantu ababili. Ticolo tekubuyeketwa kulolu Tindzaba tachithwa kabili ngaphambi kokuthi Mahlangu abulawe ngekulengiswa. Ngaphambili Mahlangu wangcwatshwa amaphoyisa ahulumende welibandlululo e-Atteridgeville ngaphambi kokuthi ayongcwatshwa kabusha mhla tisithupha kwabasa nga-1993 emathweni aseMamelodi lapho kwafakwa khona umbhalelo namagama akhe egcina. Kunemfanekiso Mahlangu Mamelodi ePitoli kumhlonipha. Mhla tisithupha kwabasa nga-2009 inkampani yabaposi kuleli yakhipha isitembu lesinebuso baMahlangu lokusikhumbuzo sendlela abulawa ngayo.
umbono lotfolwe iPhalamende losuka kumuntu wetemthetho lotimele kulandzela kufika kancingetshe kwemengameli Cyril Ramaphosa kutse abeke ibhodi ye-SABC uchazele incwadi yamengameli lefuna kucaciselwa ngalamagama laphakanyiswa njengalele engenambandzela netemthetho futhi lengadzingi enyangeni lefile Ramaphosa wabhalela somlomo wePhalamende noSiviwe Mapisa Nqakula afuna kucaciselwa ngalamagama lamathathu langetiwe wase ucela ukuthi lendzaba ibuyiselwe ebandleni lePhalamende lelibukete kuchumana netebuchwepheshe kepha-ke lo mbono wetemthetho uthi Ramaphosa uboshelelwa ngumthetho sisekelo nesishayamithetho ukuthi akhethe ibhodi njengesinqumo lesathathwa iPhalamende. Uma-ke mengameli anetinkinga ngalesinqumo sePhalamende kuhle ukuthi aye enkantolo yemthetho sisekelo kanzi-ke akanalungelo lekuphocelela iPhalamende ukuthi yente noma engabe yini.
The President is constitutionally bound to appoint as per the resolution of the National Assembly. Feels that what Parliament directs him to do is unlawful. The President Chair has got one option. He has to approach the competent court chair. The President Chair cannot take the law into his hands. Our constitution is not self-executing. The President cannot adopt a self-help constitutional style. Our constitutional scheme doesn't allow it.
Nasibuye titolo lamanye malunga elibandla leZCC St Engenas avakalise impokoto yawo ngekuphinze abuyela ahambele tinkonzo tephasika. Asikwamukele mbukele esigabeni sesibili setindzaba tesiSwati SABC 1 na DTT. Libandla lelengamele imncele yakuleli selithethe amandla ematiko lamane ekeni leli bombo eMpumalanga. La matiko ke afaka ekhathi letempilo, temvelo, tekuphuma nekungena emaveni kanye netekulima. Tindaba ke letiphathelene nalamatiko titawuphotfulwa endzaweni yinye. Kanzi-ke khomishana waleli bandla Mike Masiapato uthi le misebenzi ishambakanyelwe ukuthi kube lula kuhamba kwetimoto emkhatsini leMozambique neNingizimu Afrika.
Sila elibombo border gate la abantu abasuka eSouth Africa abaya eMozambique I expected badlule la as they're making their way to holiday destinations eMozambique. Abanye basuka eMozambique beza ngapha la eSouth Africa bondlula khona la esikuzulile earlier from the Border Management Authority Commissioner ukuthi make sure ukuthi abantu mabandlula kule border le isikhathi abasithathayo ukudlula ukuprocesswa that is sesinciphisiwe kancane because ba establish another checkpoint or processing point which is about 7 kilometers away from la border to make sure ukuthi abantu mabafika ngapha isikhathi ebasithathayo ukudlula lana sesincane. Uyasho lo commissioner ukuthi ba make sure ukuthi yonke process yenziwa lapho for both imoto nama trucks ukuthi mabafika ngapha la border bakhona ukudlula ngokukhulu ukushesha. Also into esizwile from the MEC community safety security and liaison ukuthi abasiphoyisa bazoba khona kule border 24 hours make sure ukuthi abantu baphephile njengoba sezwile in the past ukuthi abantu bebanjwa inkunzi, abantu beba hijackwa, ama trucks beba hijacka njengoba andlula la amanye ayi Mozambique amanye abuya eSouth Africa. So uyasho naye ukuthi bazo make sure ukuthi amaphoyisa ahlala akhona the whole day and the whole night make sure ukuthi abantu abandlula la bahamba ngokuphepha.
Lamanye malunga elibandla leZCC St Engenas avakalise imvokoto yawo ngekuphinza abuyele ahambele tinkonzo tephasika lokhu kutawuqala kulembela sondvo ngemva kwelikhefu leminyaka lemithathu ngenxa ye-COVID-19. Linzele ukuthi wenyuke umthamo wetimoto loya kuleli sondvo. Imigwaqo lemkhulu nayo kubonakala inyuka imithamo yetimoto njengoba bashayeli bayetindzaweni letahlukene kulesifundza. Labasemagunyeni bathi batawuqinisekisa ukuthi betemthetho babonakala ngebunyende emgwaqweni kulama holiday phasika.
Injabulo iyaphuphuma. Leli lunga lelibandla leSABC iSt Engenas lisuke ekhaya eDzanini ngetekisi kutoba ingcenye lelibandla kunkomfa eqala ephasika emva kwelikhefu leminyaka lemithathu. Uthi kube madima kakhulu kungahambeli letinkonzo kuleminyaka lemithathu lengcile. Uthi uhambe kahle. Ulana otothandaza atijabulise. Sesithe lesikhathi angahambeli lo mbuthano. Unelithemba losanyeni sondwa litawuvula khona mathuta mulongala khona khamba lenkonzo yaseMoria. labanye bashayeli betimoto eLimpopo bathi bajabulile ngekubonakala ngebunyendo betemthetho emigwaqweni.
They gave me a fine, but I told the traffic officer, I'm going now to the tire shop. I can say that. And then now I fitted the 4 tires, the new tires. Now I came back to show her that come and see. Now she told me now it's good, you will drive safely.
We're coming from Pretoria. We're going to Zanini. The drive was okay. The road is safe.
We have
deployed 250 traffic officers. That includes all the major roads that are leading to Polokwane as well as the St. Engenas ZCC Moria conference. And as such, in a distance of 10 kilometers, you will find our traffic vehicles so that we can be able to monitor our traffic volume as well as to assist and welcome those that are visiting the city of stars, which is Polokwane.
Njengoba ke seyafikile emaholide phasika sikubutile ke mbukela ukuthi ingabe sewucalile yini kuvungutela umoya enzaweni yangakini.
Siyacela abantu labashayela imoto emgwaqweni abaphephe balandele imithetho yemigwaqo. Uma bangalandeli imithetho yemigwaqo ababoshwe.
Sekuyabonakala msasazi ba sisephasikeni nyani. Loo nto uyibona ngokungqinana ngeemoto edolophini nokugilana kwabantu. Nyani sisephasikeni nyani. Kunzima nokuhamba kule medolophu.
Uthina enzaweni yangakithi sekuqalile ubonakala ukuthi maholide sasonzele ubona ngebantu labanyende kakhulu labakhonzako bayendelela emalungiselelo nathi sizwe lisha Alliance Church ngaphansi kwa Pastor Nomsa Sithole sendawona emalungiselelo siyobe sikhona lapha kanyamazane Alliance ngoba onke ama-alliance atobe aphelele sidlala ivule Nkosi. Amen.
Ningisingalele endaweni yangakithi eTrikopisi eNkomazi moya sokuqelela ebantu kuyabonakala ukuthi batimisele kakhulu balungiselela ukugubha nawo umkhosi wePhasika. Ongasi basahamba kwindawo ehlukahlukene kungaba khona kuphepha nekuvikeleka etindleleni.
Mbono wembukeli SABC ngeke ethweswa kudiphendulela ngawo. Kanzeti makethe tetimali elirandi lehlile nalicasaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Kanzeke nasibuka temidlalo iChippa United ibambe ticine tindvuku nayito tfulana eTulu ne-Orlando Pirates enkundleni iNelson Mandela Bay kumdlalo we-DStv Premiership ngemgcibelo. Njengoba imidlalo ye-league seyangasemaphetselweni licembu kufanele licokelele emaphuzu lamcoka kude libalekele lizembe njengoba lihlele enzaweni ye-14 etafuleni leloko.
iChippa United kufanele iphumelele lo mdlalo noma kanjani. Leli qembu lisalele imidlalo lesithupha kanzi liqokelele amaphuzu lamabili emidlalweni lesihlanu yakamuva.
We're playing Orlando Pirates. They're second on the log at the moment, so we're not looking into form or anything like that. We focus on what we can control, which is obviously what's going to happen in the 95 minutes starting on Saturday. So the guys are positive, the mood is good, and we're looking forward to the game.
iChilli Boys itawube ibuka eqinisa lidvango lwayo njengoba itfola neTulu nelicembu lelinebagadli labayingoti kakhulu.
Yes, even though we are close to relegation, I still feel as a group we still believe that we can get into the top 8. So we are in good spirits, in a good mood. We had a good performance against SuperSport, and I believe we will build on that.
Lo mdlalo utawuqala nakugabanca insimbi yesikhombisa nzambama ngemgcibelo.
Natigele thambe mbili kuletiphume embiteni kuligwalagwala FM.
Induna yageze Hosienzo Ramohupa wexwayisa ngekuthi iNingizimu Afrika ingahle ibukane ne-load shedding ya stage 10 nangabe Eskom angatitholi tindlela tekuphehla gezi letingcono. Sevele uqalile kwenyuka umthamo wetimoto emigwaqweni lehlukene kulesifundza seMpumalanga njengoba kulungiselelwa impelasonto yeliphasika.
Singahambi ke sesibuke nathi lethambe mbili lamuhla.
As they shot at the police responded. They shot and killed 8 of those guys.
Kusele enkundleni basola laba imfica lekusolakala ukuthi ngilaba bamba inkunzi imoto lethwala imali esibukeng eGauteng nesikhathi badubulana nemaphoyisa.
We can never even believe. I think there is nothing that can defeat the gains that were achieved in 1994.
Kushona kwalweli bakasishoshovu semzabalazo Solomon Mahlangu bekungasilo lide lelide ngake nje umndeni wakhe uvuka lisinga nakukhunjula impilo yakhe.
We're playing Orlando Pirates. They're second on the log at the moment, so we're not looking into form or anything like that. We focus on what we can control.
Ichipa United tawufanele itibambe ticine tinvuku nayitethulane etulu ne-Orlando Pirates enkundleni iNelson Mandela Bay kumdlalo we-DStv Premiership ngemigcibelo. Tingawo-ke talamuhla sikhona-ke kusasa ku-DTT ngensimbi yesithathu sikulethela dona setenabile ungakhohlwa-ke ukuthi esikhathini lesingacedzi inhlitiyo utawuthi utfola ngelulwimi lakhe ama-awala nge-24 ubukela akube ngilokuhle.